Build quality. Some cars age well because they are built with tighter tolerances, stronger materials, and better long-term engineering decisions. Manufacturers that focus heavily on durability often design parts to handle stress over many years instead of only meeting short-term expectations. This affects everything from door hinges to engine components, and over time, small differences in quality become very noticeable. Mechanical simplicity. Cars with simpler mechanical systems often remain reliable for longer periods. Older, naturally aspirated engines, traditional automatic transmissions, and fewer electronic systems generally create fewer failure points. While modern technology improves comfort and performance, added complexity can increase maintenance costs as vehicles age. Simplicity may not always feel advanced, but it often survives time more gracefully. Interior material choices. The cabin often reveals a car's true age faster than the exterior. Soft-touch materials, durable leather, and solid switchgear usually hold up better over time, while cheaper plastics can crack, fade, or become sticky. A well-preserved interior creates the feeling that a car has been cared for properly, even if the vehicle itself is old. This strongly affects resale value and long-term perception. Maintenance culture. How owners treat a car matters just as much as how it was built. Regular oil changes, proper repairs, and careful driving habits can dramatically extend a vehicle's lifespan. Some brands develop strong maintenance cultures where owners are more likely to preserve their cars carefully. In many cases, the same model can either age beautifully or deteriorate quickly, depending on how it was maintained. Parts availability. Cars tend to age better when replacement parts remain easy to find. Popular models from companies like Toyota and Honda often stay on the road because parts are affordable and widely available even years later. When parts become rare or expensive, owners may delay repairs, causing the car's condition to decline more rapidly. Engineering philosophy. Different manufacturers approach engineering with different priorities. Some focus on long-term reliability and ease of repair, while others emphasize innovation, performance, or luxury features. A car designed with serviceability in mind is usually easier and cheaper to maintain as it ages. Vehicles engineered with excessive complexity may feel impressive when new, but become difficult to own later in life. Technology integration. Modern cars rely heavily on software, sensors, and electronic systems. While these features improve safety and convenience, they can age quickly as technology changes. Older vehicles with fewer digital systems often avoid issues related to outdated software or failing electronics. In contrast, heavily computerized cars may still look modern outside while feeling technologically outdated inside. Cultural reputation. Over time, certain vehicles build reputations for aging well through real-world experience. When owners consistently report reliability and longevity, public trust grows around those models. This reputation influences resale values and encourages people to preserve the cars rather than discard them. Eventually, some vehicles become respected, not because they were perfect when new, but because they proved themselves durable over many years.